In lane 1, representing Club Wolverine, a 4-time World University Games gold medalist, Michael Klee. Lane 2, representing Daytona Beach Swimming, 5-time Olympic gold medalist, Ryan Lochte. Lane 3, representing University of Virginia Aquatics, 2012 Olympic gold medalist in the 800 freestyle relay, Matt McLean. Lane 4, swimming unattached out of North Baltimore, 2012 Olympic gold medalist is a member of the 4x200 freestyle relay, Connor Dwyer. Lane 5, representing IX3 Sports, London Olympic Games gold medalist is a member of that same 800 freestyle relay, Charlie Houchin. Lane 6, representing the University of Michigan swim team, a 2012 U.S. Olympian in the 1500 free, Connor Yeager. Lane 7, representing the University of Michigan swim team, 2012 Big Ten champion in the 200-yard freestyle, Michael Winalda. And in lane 8, representing Longhorn Aquatics, American record holder in the 200-yard freestyle, a 2-time U.S. Olympian, Ricky Behrens. A final men's 200-meter freestyle. Very interesting field assembled here. Any number of these guys could challenge for the win. Somebody's probably going to take it out fast and see how it shakes out, and it is lane number 2, Ryan Lochte at 24.64. Guys now moving towards the 100. It is still Lochte in lane number 2. Here comes Connor Dwyer in lane 4, and out here in lane 8, Ricky Behrens. It's Lochte at 51.65. Still Ryan Lochte in lane number 2, getting it done. Lochte really driving those legs. Connor Dwyer still within striking distance. Moving up between them is Matt McLean in lane 3. Ryan Lochte with 50 meters to go. Connor Dwyer a half a body length back. Lochte still looks good. Dwyer changing gears. Lochte hammering the legs. At the touch, it goes to Ryan Lochte. Ryan Lochte with the 5th fastest time in the world this year to win it, 1:45.97. Finishing second, Connor Dwyer at 1:46.25. 7th fastest time in the world. And third is Matt McLean at 1:46.78. And we'll note that 4th was Charlie Houchin at 1:47.36. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a round of applause to your champion there in lane 2, Ryan Lochte. Ladies and gentlemen, exiting the pool on the lane 1 side, Ryan Lochte.
Question. You went out fast, right?
Yeah, I mean, it was a tough field, so I knew if I went out fast and got a lead, I had a good shot, so that's what I did.
Having that lead and coming off that 150, how did you find that extra gear to get home, especially the last 10 or 15 meters?
I don't think I found an extra gear. I mean, they were all catching me. I saw that. So, but I mean, I got 2 more weeks of training after this meet to get ready for Worlds. So.
Brian, what do you say to these guys now to keep them motivated, to stay dominant in this 800 free relay as we head to Barcelona?
Just stick with what you're doing. I mean, we all know how to train, and at this in the U.S., like, we're good racers, so we're gonna put the best 4 guys and, you know, take over the world.
Congratulations.
You ready for your double?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Sorry to remind you.